You personally, Vishen, 10 years from now, what are you doing? And maybe what are you doing for Vishen?
So,
what do you want to be?
You know what brings me the greatest joy? It is connecting people. So my greatest joy, I love Mindvalley, I love what I do, but Mindvalley isn't my greatest joy. My greatest joy, surprisingly, is hosting dinner parties of brilliant minds around the world. It's not even a business. I don't care to make money from it. After this interview, I'm going straight to Soho House, where I rented a private room, and I created a curated guest list of 15 people here in London. And they don't necessarily know each other, but I know them, and I want them to get to know each other. I'm paying for everything because I just love bringing people together. I found that through these dinner parties, I've been able to introduce people to the love of their life, to future business partners. I've been asked to conduct weddings because of people who met through my connection. And that's what gives me joy. I serve the world by bringing people together. And so that's what I'm excited about. And I'm trying to figure out how to do this at scale. So Mindvalley aside, I want to figure out how can I create an app powered by a certain type of AI that can predict who you should connect with in any city, as a friend, as a mentor, as a romantic partner. And that is my long-term project. I want to bring this app out to the world within the next decade or so. When you show up in any city, based on an understanding of who you are, the app will be able to say, hey, Brian, there's this guy called Greg, 2.5 kilometers away from you. And if you have coffee with him, we think you're both going to be able to progress towards your goal. Would you like an intro? That's what I want to create.
That's a super cool idea. So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.